How to log in to your H&R Block account. Welcome to our channel, and let's start with a tutorial. First and foremost, open a browser that you prefer on your mobile device or on your PC. In the URL address, search for H&R Block login and give it a search. In here, you have to tap on the first suggestion, that is My Block H&R. So go ahead and tap on it. Enter your username, email address or your mobile number and tap on Continue. If you don't have an account, tap on Create Account. Enter email, password, then confirm password and give it a tick mark on this box right here. And then Continue or tap on Next. Once you do this, you'll be able to sign up to your Block account. If you face any issue logging in, you can go ahead and check out the H&R Block online sign-in help. In here, you will find various of instructions and articles that will guide you through the process. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.